MSU Moorhead students and professors are taking on the medical field with full force, one cell at a time. Mark Wallert, an MSUM professor studying cancer cells, says the research is key for new developments in cancer treatment.
Lung cancer research really focuses on studying the way cancer cells move and migrate.
Wallert's research is dedicated to finding parts of proteins within cells that block or slow down the cancer process. Wallert says that the research is important but can be tedious at times.
We've been working on this project for slightly more than a decade. If we are highly successful, maybe in a decade from now, we could be talking about potential molecules that can block this process.
According to Wallert, MSUM's cancer research program has overcome many obstacles in its strive for long-term success. But President Obama's budget proposal for 2013 may affect the program sooner than later. Reporter Zach Denzer tells us more.
The proposition to keep funding for the National Institutes of Health the same for 2013 sparked controversy in medical schools around America. But no one person was greater surprised by the decision than Wallert, whose NIH-funded work, along with other MSUM students and professors, was recently published in the international journal Cellular Oncology.
Right now we have 2 grants that we're working on, one from the National Institutes of Health, one from the National Science Foundation. They've provided over $600,000 in funding over the last 3.5 years. And so we currently use about $65,000 to $75,000 worth of supplies a year. Without funding, it doesn't happen. It completely has to stop.
Here in the Biology and Chemistry Research Lab at MSUM, researchers have the opportunity to impact the medical world in a vital way. But Wallert says soon that could all change.
Funding science, funding research, and letting research happen at schools like this gives students experiences that allow them to investigate and think about different careers, different ways to use their science to build their lifestyle and lifetime ambitions. And if you take away funding, you lose the chance to recruit students into science. You lose the chance to give them that experience that could change their life.
For Wallert and the other cancer researchers at MSUM, it's going to take more than a budget proposition to defeat the significant research that has come from the science labs and into international journals around the world. With photographer Megan Havik, Zach Denzer, Campus News.